to extend your leg back like that and hold your balance. You go right there. Let it go, let it go. Other way. Shush, Henry! Quiet!
Well, as you can see, that was the Draken Aviation services that was just seen come over anyway. As you can see, that was the Dassault Falcon 200 just seen come over anyway. And as you can see, the registration is G-FRAI just seen come over anyway. But especially because unfortunately today we haven't seen much of aircraft around here today, unfortunately. But unfortunately the only one we've only seen today was just the Draken Aviation services we've just seen today apparently. Which as you can tell, it just took off from Bournemouth Airport anyway. And as you can see, the height it flew now was around probably just under 45,000 feet anyway. And as you can see, then it just climbed up to about nearly 46,000 feet anyway, as it turned anyway, as it was almost an overhead pass anyway, but obviously. So yeah, just whether you can see that just took off from its base to Bournemouth Airport just probably around 12:35 PM anyway. During lunchtime it took off anyway. Just took off from its base to Bournemouth Airport just around 12:35 PM anyway. So yeah, hopefully we might be able to see. Hopefully it might be coming back another pass anyway. Otherwise it might be doing training naps, I believe anyway. Because for some reason it might be going around doing probably training naps, I believe anyway, which that's what it might be doing anyway. Okay, so yeah, and also we've got other two planes as well anyway, which that one here we've got a G-FRAI and the G-FRAI-S is the one we've got. It's just those three planes we've got at the moment anyway, but they're training out on the just on the south coast between Devon and Cornwall anyway. So yeah, hopefully we might be getting to see one of them, hopefully we might get to see one of them doing training laps, hopefully anyway. But I don't know about this one, but anyway, but this one is doing a lap anyway. This one is just trained, as you can see, this one has been going and doing loops just over, flying over top of Falcon anyway, over South Devon. So yeah, because I think whether if this one might be coming back anyway. But I don't know about this one, but this one might be coming back anyway for another pass, but I don't know yet. And yeah, okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.